Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a channel on a WhatsApp business. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to install the WhatsApp business from the Play Store. So I have already installed it. So let's click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see now, you have to go to the update section. And you can see here are a lot of channels. If you want to follow them, you can also do that. If you want to search for any channel, you can also do that. As you can see, here's a most active and most popular. They are divided into groups. If you want to search any kind of channel, you can also do that. So let's go back, and after going back, as you can see, has another option like the channel and this plus icon. So let's click on this, and after clicking on this plus icon, as you can see, has an option for the find channel. If you want to find any channel in the same way, you can also do that. Or if you want to create a new channel, then you have to click on the create a channel. Let's click on this. So as you can see, now we need to click on the continue, and after clicking on the continue, we have to select the picture, I mean the profile picture for our channel. So let's select that one. For example, I'm gonna select this one. So let's select this, and now we are going to select this, and now we have to click on the done. And after clicking on the done, now we need to write our channel name. So for example, I'm going to write the channel name here, women's. So as you can see, I'm going to write the women's hub name. And now you have to write the description here. For example, I'm going to write the description here, so we have to write that. You can write the description under 2000 characters, and now simply we have to click on the create channel, and our channel will be created. So as you can see, our channel is ready to use. Now if you want to share the link, you can also do that. You have to click on the share link, and now it's ready. So in this way, you can create a channel on WhatsApp business. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.